Tornado watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 187, effective until 3 o'clock a.m. Monday. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 187, effective until 3 a.m. Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Caswell and Woodford. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for latest statements and for internet sources for the latest severe weather information.